how to be distant with my ex when we have shared responsibilities. It could be the kids, maybe you're working together, maybe you still live together, maybe you have other things in common. But if I'm doing this video, it's because I want to talk to you about this no contact, the distance, or the techniques when you have to see your ex. Because usually you're scared. How can I do no contact? I live with my ex. We have kids in common. I cannot shut up the communication. You're right. And this is very important for you to know that your situation is better. Because we know that we can meet, we know that we can talk to your ex, so we don't have this, how can I say, scared situation where we will not talk and see your ex again. So this is better for us. So that's a sense of security. Now you need to understand one little thing. When we talk about the no contact, when I come up with this idea of the radio silence, it's a different type of no contact. This is what I call a philosophy. So it's an idea. It's not strict. Oh, you do the no contact for 21 days to 30 days, because that's what the brain needs to create a new habit, and your ex will come back with flowers to you or with chocolate. It doesn't happen that way. When we do the no contact, it is an idea. Let me explain to you. Let's say that you have kids in common or you live together, and you will tell me, but how can I do a no contact if we are under the same roof? You will do the no contact by being distant. What does it mean exactly? You will wake up before your usual time. You will go for a run. You will meditate. You will do some yoga. You will eat healthy. And what this happen is that your ex will start to understand that you have changed. Because when we do the no contact, it is to show to your ex that you have new habits. It is to show to your ex that you are different. By being distant, having routine in the morning, in the evening, you will show to your ex that you are doing a no contact. You are not here to communicate. You are not begging for another chance. You are not trying to make your ex change his or her mind. So this is the no contact. It's different because you are living together, because you have kids, because you're working, because whatever. But it is still the no contact. So what you need to do right now is to grab a paper and a pen and understand that we can still use the most powerful technique to get your ex back. It is still possible. Step number 1. What are the routines that I can put in place, that I can implement? I told you the miracle morning. I wake up, I meditate, I go to the gym, or I do exercise at the house. I eat healthy, I journal. I basically also will do some, take care of myself, of my image. I will just take care of the way I dress, my appearance. This is very important. At night, I will try to not be at home. I will try to have activities. I will try to stay longer at work. I will try to see my friends. I will try to not be at home as much as I can. What can I do? I have little kids. Okay, what we will do in this case is create a routine with your kids. Maybe we will dance together during the evening. Maybe we will cook together. Maybe we will do the homework not at home but at Starbucks, just to create a change in the habits. And you know what will happen at this time? Your ex will realize that there is something different. And this is what we want. When we do the no contact, we want to attract our ex. We want to make our ex think about you, about us. We want to make our ex realize that there is something different. So they can ask you, what's going on? You're different. Hey, I have to tell you, the last few days, I just felt myself again. I just felt there is a new me. And so we can launch the reattraction process. So even if you have shared responsibility, you can use the distance. One other advice that I will always ask you to do, put your phone on the side. I see so many people telling me, Alex, I cannot be distant, because you're always on your phone, because you always respond, because you always react. And your ex will test you. He or she will tell you, oh, you're always outside of the apartment, of the house. They want you to react. And if you say, no, I'm not, or I just spend some good time, I'm just creating new habits, you should be happy for me. and then you leave. This distance will make your ex react. So, if you have shared responsibilities, if you have kids in common, work, remember, it's all about routine. Morning, evening. Okay, Alex, but at work, how does it work? You will try to communicate with all of your coworkers, right? I would tell you that sometimes you need to bring breakfast to everyone, or at least your service, right? The people that are surrounding you. I want you to organize the fact that during the lunch break, maybe you will have an activities. Maybe you will do some yoga and meditation. Maybe you have a trainer that comes to you just for 30 minutes. Just do things that change your mindset. Do things that change your habits. And you will see that your ex will start to look at you differently. Maybe sometime we cannot shut down the communication. Always smiling. And the rule is very simple. Zero conflict. Your ex can come and tell you the sky is green. The sky is green, it's not blue. You will say, maybe it's a point of view. I understand your point of view. No communication, no argument, no negotiation, nothing. When your ex will feel that their behavior of being mad or being hard on you is not working, we will start being able to implement the reattraction phase, the emotions, the emotional communications, the smile. And so your ex will have no choice but to realize that you have changed. Your ex will have no choice just to realize that you're different. So what you need to do right now is to stop being scared. Every techniques that we share with you, they are not magical. It's not a button that we push. So if you can't use them the way that we design in our videos, it's okay. There is always different situation. There is always solutions. We need to adapt ourselves with the situation. But what you need to do right now, this is very important, is to smash the like button and subscribe, because we do a lot of videos and you can receive them in your inbox and you can really focus on what's going on, what you should do. I want to tell you this. It's not the moment to be scared. We have lost your ex. It's over. Let's recreate some attraction. Let's show to your ex that the new habits and the next steps in your life are so good that they want to be part of it. This is how we can make your ex wants to be with you, because the next part of your life is so great that they want to be part of it. Okay? If you want to go further, just come on our website withmyexagain.com/coaching. You can book a private coaching session with myself, with also the team. We are here for you. We want to show you that it is possible. The moment we give you the action plan, it changes everything. You know what you have to do and you focus on that. Okay, guys? So even if you have shared responsibilities, it is possible to be distant. It is possible to adapt the radio silence, the no contact, all of these techniques. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment just right below. Tell us your story. Tell us how you feel. Make sure that you grab your gift in the description. We always have a lot of gifts for you because this is the best way for you to learn. Learn your ex psychology. Learn what to do. Learn how to be more positive and confident. This is how you gain some control. I will see you very soon, guys. Take care.